having an issue here. As the third base umpire, Dan Iasonia, is coming over to talk to maybe a member of the ground crew. Maybe there's a portion of the field that's a little muddy or so. And it looks like they're going out on the field to repair. Oh, there's a bird on the field.
Probably an Oriole spy.
Yeah.
And they get him.
Yeah. Whoa.
Oh. Well, birds fly. I don't think he's just going to pick them up. Oh, no.
No, he didn't.
No, he didn't.
Well, just shoo him off the field.
Well, this is going right to the blooper reel. Oh, with that guy with the cat that got scratched 20 years ago.
Yeah. That was at the Kingdom.
Easy now.
All right, as long as he's in foul territory.